Hello everyone, welcome back. I am here for another Born Pretty mystery giveaway. So I got sent another package. This package contains some mystery polish again that I'm gonna give away. So this is the second giveaway of the year. Please continue to support the channel and let me know what is your favorite item from here. Leave your name, your favorite color, and the contest will end 2 weeks after I launch this video. Contest rules will be posted below, and enjoy this video and thank you for all your support. The winner will be chosen using a random comment selector, and also please be mindful that I can only send the package to viewers in North America. So let's get started. I hope you're excited because I don't know what's in the package, and to me it's also a mystery pack. So let's see. Let's cut this open. I have to get some scissors. Okay, so let's open this up. See what we have here. A jar. Something else wrapped. So again, like last time, I'll be giving away whatever is in this package. I will only be swatching the colors. And I will include something else in the mystery pack. We have 4 Born Pretty nail polishes and 1 in a jar. So let's see what these colors are. Started on the swatching. So the Born Pretty nail polishes are 7 milliliters. Comes in this little bottle. Just gonna unpackage everything. And open up all the wraps. Let's get started. Here's our swatching. So this is called Jelly Nude Gel. So it's in a nude color. Oh, cool. Yeah, it certainly fits the name. It's got a very watery, kind of like jelly kind of look. Right under the light. Now the next one, it's a Omnipotent cat magnetic gel. So I'm assuming we will need one of these. So this is one of those cat eye magnets that I had from before. So it's got a kind of rainbow shine. is not magnetic, it just... Oh no, it is. It is. Yep. Just have to pay very low. Now this one is just a regular color gel in kind of a purple-ish pink color. Kind of like a Barbie pink. Yep, it's very bright. It's like bubble gum. This is very bubble gum color. Now we have a reflective cat eye magnetic gel. So this is also cat eye. But this is, instead of silver, it's a purple-ish color. Cat eye effect. Now let's do a second layer on these four first. So we'll be starting back at jelly. See the cat eye? It's more noticeable on the purple color. So I'm gonna do a quick top coat on all the colors. With the top coat. Okay, now let's see this jar polish. So the jar is reflective sequins gel. Interesting. And the jar is, so it actually doesn't say how many milliliters this is, but this is the jar. So I'm just gonna open it a little bit. I'm not gonna open the whole thing. So to show you, it's a reddish, very shiny. It has lots of sequins inside. So I'm gonna get a brush. This is what it looks like. So
bits of sequins inside. Now a second layer. Try to get a bigger piece of the sequin on here. You do kind of have to place the sequin to where you want it to go. So that's the 2 layers of the sequin gel. Because I'll be shipping this away, I just want it to seal it back kind of like this, so it doesn't spill. I've got on the top here. Okay, let's take a closer look at the colors we swatched today. So there was the Jelly Pink, Reflective Cat Eye Silver, there's a Barbie Pink, Reflective Cat Eye Purple, and a sequin, red sequin gel in a jar. So let me know what you think and which one is your favorite. I think that this the purple reflective gel is my favorite. I think it suits more my style. See, I think it's actually a great color, something I'd wear, so this is my favorite. And I mean, I do like this color, but it's just not really my style. And this nude color, this is nice and simple, but this is my favorite. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy my second giveaway of the year. Again, rules and details will be in the comments below, and thank you for continuing to watch my channel. I will see you next time.